Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites to create a classroom website. Whether you're a teacher looking to improve communication with students and parents, or just want an online space to showcase your class, Google Sites makes it easy and free. Start by navigating to sites.google.com. If you haven't used Google Sites before, don't worry. It's linked to your Google account, so everything you create is securely saved in Google Drive. Next, click on the template gallery at the top of the page. Browse through the templates and select the class template. This template is designed for educational settings and comes with pre-built sections for schedules, announcements, and classroom resources. It gives you a solid foundation to start with. Once the template opens, you can customize it to fit your needs. Click on text boxes to edit content, add your syllabus, contact info, or a welcome message. You can also update images by clicking on them and selecting Replace Image. Upload your own pictures or choose from Google's library to make your site visually engaging. Don't forget to explore the sidebar to add elements like links, videos, or calendar events. Tailoring these to your curriculum makes it easier for students to access information and stay organized. Finally, preview your site using the Preview button in the top right corner. Once satisfied, click Publish, choose a web address, and your classroom website is live. With Google Sites, you can create a flexible, organized, and engaging digital space for your students and parents. Today, I'm